Hey everybody, I'm about to go to a Rays game. They're playing the Red Sox. They're in town right now here in St. Petersburg. So we're about to go and check out a game, and I'm going to take you along the way. So stay tuned. I'm here with Thomas, and we are about to head over to meet Todd to go to the Rays Red Sox game. I just wanted to give
Banyan tree.
So there's that, but we'll keep you posted. Stay tuned for more. We are working our way through the St. Petersburg downtown area.
Arrivederci.
Hey guys, me and T-Bone are walking up Central. We're at Central and 6th Street. We're walking up. Gonna meet up with Todd. How's it going, T-Bone?
Good, brother. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Good to be out.
Go see the Red Sox.
Red Sox and the Rays.
Of course, the Rays are gonna win.
Red Sox is gonna kick some butt. Let's see how it goes. Time will tell.
Time will tell.
Turned out to be a little bit further than we thought. It's getting hot fast, but we're gonna make it. And we're getting close. Getting close, people. That's what it's about. Getting close. All right, we're coming up here to FERG'S. T-Bone, we made it. We made it to FERG'S. We parked a little far, but it's here. So now he's got to go find Todd and grab a beer. Hey, we're here at FERG'S. We met up with Todd. Hey, Todd. What's up? What's up? Anyway, we're here, we're walking, and we're heading into the stadium. Yeah. And we're going through the dog park. This is where everybody brings their dogs. Going into Tropicana. Stay tuned, folks. Hi. We're not. We are in Tropicana Field. I'm here with T-Bone Harrison and Goatman Do of the Go
Rays.
Go Rays. Oh, the Red Sox. So stay tuned. It's going to get interesting, people. It's about to get ugly. It's going to get ugly. All right. So I'm asking the question, as we're here in Tropicana. What's the food specialty that people tend to choose? In Fenway, we got our Fenway Franks. Go here in Tropicana. What do we got?
Cuban. You gotta go Cuban. Are you kidding me? That's what Tampa was founded on. It's Cuban heritage that came here.
So we got to find a
Cuban sandwich.
A good Cuban sandwich. All right. Well, we'll see if that happens for the T-Bone. How are we doing here?
We are winning with the Reds.
I will say yes. They are ahead.
What do you say to pizza?
Second inning.
Second inning.
Goat is scouting out some seats that we can watch the Bolts and the Rays at the same time over in the area over there called the Porch. T-Bone, how do you feel about more cowbell? Oh!
I'm looking for more cow dough.
I don't know what that means, but
Hey, hockey game. We got a dual action right now. We got Stanley Cup. If the Rays win tonight, I'm sorry, if the Bolts win tonight, they're going to the Stanley Cup Finals. They're on over here. Meanwhile, we got the Rays that are on here and outside the stadium. They're up 5-1 against the awful Red Sox. And we got some good action.
We're going to relocate to FERG'S. Stay tuned for more good action. T-Bone, where are we going?
FERG'S.
T-Bone, go. Where are we at?
FERG'S, go Bolts.
Go Bolts. Hey everybody, I got here early this morning and I am just waiting for my next flight. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Matt. So I made it from Tampa up to Atlanta, and I'm going to go and jump on the MARTA and meet up with Chris. So stay tuned. I'm here at the bar, of course. And I'll give you a shot around. This is always one of the cooler parts of walking through the airport here, because they have this whole jungle scene with noises. As I'm here getting on my MARTA train, my brother's going to meet me out in Chambly-Dorville station. Just wanted to show you what the MARTA looks like. We're going to use MARTA because it's smarter. Feeling good, ready to see some family. Pretty good flight, very bumpy, but I had a kid on my row, thank gosh. The little darling wasn't loud, but wasn't too bad. So let's stay tuned. Here we go. Hey everybody, it's Matt, the backpacker. I am here at the Dorville MARTA station, and just waiting on my ride, which is going to be my brother, Chris. Yeah, about like what I remembered MARTA being like, and looking forward to getting back to the Lawrenceville house and just taking a break, maybe even taking a nap. So it's been a long journey to get to this point, and I'm excited to just lay and sit. So yeah, stay tuned.